What's up YouTube? Anthony coming in with another video. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay up to date with all my videos. So I'm very excited for this video. In this video, we are going to be doing a campaign review. This is actually something I shared in my private Facebook group. This is my training course for Entrepreneur Affiliate Mastery students. I shared this in the Facebook group, but I think it's going to be super beneficial to share with people on YouTube so you guys know, what are people running on Facebook right now and how can I get some ideas for my campaigns? What spy tool can I use? But more than anything, let's actually dive into my computer and I'm actually going to show you guys this right now. Welcome back everybody. So I'm very excited to be going over this. So what's stopping you from having success with your affiliate marketing campaigns? So we are going to be going over 3 different aspects, and yes, I'm excited. You guys are going to see a real example of some things that you can actually do on your current campaigns. So starting off, number 1, you are not building a swipe file and rushing into campaigns. Now keep in mind, now this is my feedback based off of hundreds of messages I've got regarding CPA marketing and affiliate marketing campaigns. So not building a swipe file. What you want to do, for example, if you choose weight loss as your niche, you're going to want to research that. And I'm actually going to show you a real way that you can actually research affiliate offers. Because what you want to do is you want to find that there's other affiliates running that offer. Number 1, check in with your affiliate manager. See what offers are crushing and see if they have any angles that you can actually take advantage of and run in your own campaigns. When you talk to your affiliate manager, see what traffic sources the offers are actually being ran at. So for example, if you're going to run weight loss and you want to run a specific offer, ask your affiliate manager if this weight loss offer is crushing on Facebook ads. So these are some small things you can start doing as you're building your swipe file. Now, let's just say we want to stay in evergreen niches. So as you're building your swipe file, do research on multiple niches: wealth, health, lead generation, car loans, sweepstakes. There's so many different angles or offers you can run. Now you're probably asking, Anthony, well, if I run a lead generation, will Facebook shut me down? Facebook will always shut you down. Now keep in mind, this can work for multiple traffic sources. It's not what you promote, it's how you promote it. So think about that. So you can promote this iPhone I have right here and still get shut down, because it's how you promote it. It's how you angle your ad copy, what images you use. So as you're building your swipe file, you're going to see other affiliates running campaigns, and this will give you creative ideas on ad copy, images, or videos that you can actually use. Now next, you do not want to rush into a campaign because you're going to be burning money. I mean, you work hard for your money. Whether you work for yourself or whether you work a job, you're still working hard for your money. So take the time to actually research your campaign. Now, I'm going to skip over to, because I'm very excited to show you that you guys are actually going to see a little bit of spying and a little bit of behind the scenes on, I want you guys to have a general idea on see what I'm talking about. So, what's stopping you from your success? Because a lot of people, they have trouble finding success in affiliate marketing, whether it being they don't have enough budget, whether they don't have a strategy, or whether they just give up too easy. I know a lot of people give up way too easy in affiliate marketing. I wanted to give up when I very first started because I didn't think it was going to work, but I knew I had to begin with the end in mind, and I knew what I wanted my end result to be, to, have time freedom, work for myself, and work from home. So now next, your budget and choosing an offer is important. So now with that being said, don't choose an offer if you have a $300 budget, $200 budget, $200 to $500 budget. Don't choose an offer that's a $100 payout. This is one big mistake that I see a lot of affiliates doing. They try to run high payout CPA offers, but they have a shoestring budget. So choose an affiliate offer that's tailored to your budget, because then you're going to be able to actually test the offer. So for example, if an offer pays out $40 and your budget is $300, do not waste your money and run that offer because you don't have enough to actually test it. Now, typically, yes, you can spend the typical, let's just like type it in here really quick, 3x to, 5x. We'll type it in right here. You can spend 3x to 5x the CPA. So, if the offer pays out $50, spend 3 times that, spend 5 times that. But what I recommend is choose an offer that's a lower cost per acquisition. So, for example, there's a lot of lead generation offers or survey offers, home offers, that these offers pay anywhere from $2 to $15, $2 to $20. For example, if you're doing home refinance, or if you're doing, a car loan offer, for example, or a health insurance offer, choose an offer that is a lower cost. And these are actually referred to, if you don't know, these are CPLs. These are CPL offers, so they're very easy to get into because you don't have to have a huge budget to test every angle. So now, when you're doing your testing, and let's just say your budget is, let's just say right now, everyone watching this video, your budget is, $300. Choose an offer in that $2 to $20 range, a lead generation that does not require a sale, but requires someone to give their email, phone, first name, and last name, that, it's going to pay you pretty well. Now, when you do this, you can set up multiple creatives and test multiple ad sets. Now, right now, we're primarily talking about Facebook, but with this $300, think about how many ways you could actually split test that offer. So you can test 2 different ad copies, 3 different images, see which one the audience react well. Now, if you're using a video, keep in mind, when you start a campaign, you're going to have to get a little bit of social proof. If you guys watch my YouTube channel, go back like 5 or 6 videos ago, and you're going to see I talk about a strategy of social proofing. You can social proof your ads for, $5, $10, get a lot of social proof on the ad, and then run that lead generation campaign to your targeted geo. So if you're targeting Canada or you're targeting United Kingdom, you can target that geo when you have that social proof, and within 24 hours it's easy to set up. Now, lastly, before I dive into actually showing you guys a little bit of the back end of what I'm talking about, there's 2 ways to spy. You can do it for free or you can do it for paid. Today, I'm actually going to show you a paid way to actually spy. Now, you do not have to have a spy tool to actually do this. If you don't have a spy tool, just spy for free. In the next couple weeks, hopefully have a video going over free methods and free ways that you guys can actually spy on your traffic source. Now, spy tools are a love and hate relationship because, one, a couple of my campaigns have ended up on spy tools, so keep that in mind. Now, with that being said, the spy tool we're going to be going over is actually called Ad Sector. Now, a lot of these spy tools, they come and go. Now, that's why I tend not to talk about spy tools too much, because they always tend to come and go. Sometimes, a known spy tool back in the day was Big Ads, I believe. That one got shut down, but it was a great spy tool. So let me actually show you guys this now. We're going to dive into a spy tool. So as you all can see, this is just the homepage of Ad Sector. Now keep in mind, they have search mode, filter, and lander props. Now, what you want to do when you actually come here, now this is one reason I actually like the tool, is you can scroll down a little bit, and if we look down to the bottom left, there's affiliate networks, there's tracking system, e-commerce platform. You can even just click right here, and as you can see, if you guys look, I'll scroll through here slowly, but pause it if you need to, but these are different affiliate networks. Affiliate X, Above All Offers was in here. Big Bang Ads, I never heard of this. ClickBank is in here. And ClickBank, if you guys are into affiliate marketing, making money from home, you guys all know what ClickBank is already. Now, these are affiliate networks that this spy tool has actually picked up. And Convert to Media, that's actually one of my favorite ones. But yeah, a ton of affiliate networks. Now, what you can actually do is you can just choose any. Now, what we can actually do is that we can choose by country or type, but none of that really matters right now, because right now I just want you to see the general view. So let's actually scroll up a little bit. So right now on search mode, what I like to do is I like to see ads running in the last 30 days, because if someone's been running an ad for 2 weeks, we know that the ad's been approved. It's probably working, because no one spends on ads for 2 weeks and they don't find an angle that's, breaking even, or the ROAS aren't in profitability. So these are some things to keep in mind. So let's just keep it in the last 30 days is what I would recommend. Now, you can actually search by keyword, and now look at this tab right here. They have the running longest, reach, comments, likes. Now, I prefer to actually use comments and shares, because one, if people are engaging on the post, Facebook is going to reward that ad to give you cheaper CPMs. Now, I'm actually going to just do by comments, for example, so we can actually do, what what affiliate networks have been running right now in the last 30 days. We had this option checked off. So I'm going to click filter now. Let's let it load for a quick second. Let's scroll up. So as we can see right now, so the woodworking mentor, I can tell you guys right now, that is a ClickBank offer. That's Ted's Woodworking. Now look at this offer right here, this extra PC, Ultimate Stars. This is actually an e-commerce offer. And now let's look up right here, improve budget. Now, when I think about this, I want you guys to see this from my lenses. When I think of improved budget, this is what the Facebook fan page is named. So if you don't know what to name your fan page, when you're doing your spying, keep this, keep this marked down. And as we can see, like, look at the shares on this, look at the comments on this. So we know this has been running the last 30 days. We know that there's different affiliate networks right here. So we can actually go into Facebook and we can look at all of these. Now let's keep this in mind. Improve budget. Now look at the ad copy. Here are 15 things many homeowners don't know about that could be costing them thousands of dollars each year. So now keep in mind, look at the image that they're actually using. Now this is just an interesting image in my opinion. Now if you were modeling this, now I'm not saying to copy, but if you were going to model this, you could make a variation of this ad copy because obviously it's working. 233 comments, running last 30 days, and 4,000 shares. So a lot of people are engaging and sharing. How could we model this and test a couple more images? And we could also test this image. But keep in mind, this goes back to what we were saying in the beginning of the video. We have to build a swipe file. So if you're, manually spying, then that's fine. Look at different niches, look at different offers you can promote. These are, these offers aren't going anywhere. This Ted's Woodworking one isn't going anywhere. Home improvement offers, they aren't going anywhere. E-commerce products are not going anywhere. But, as we scroll down, we see more offers right here like the Lost Ways, tech offers. But these are just some more ideas you guys can get ideas from. And let's actually scroll back up and we're going to click see more details and actually look at this. This is one of the beauties of actually using spy tools. So now we can actually see that this is the actual landing page of how it actually looks. Now, keep in mind, there are a ton. I hope this isn't someone on one of my subscribers' landing page that I'm actually talking about right now. By the way, if you guys are getting a ton of value from this, comment below and, tell me you enjoy these videos. Subscribe, like this video, share it with someone who should see this. Now, pay close attention to right here. It's telling us that the network is actually called Giddy Up. And we can see that they're using like number 1, number 2, and they're using images, and it's just 15 different items in here. So we'll actually click over to that in a second, but let's actually scroll down. So as we can see that this offer has been on an upward trend right here. Now keep in mind, all of this isn't entirely accurate right here, but we can see that they're running in the United States. Let's actually look at the gender. And the gender, they're targeting males with this offer. And relationship status, this doesn't really matter, but we can click there. So it's not showing me anything from that. So as you guys can see. Now, let's actually take a look at this landing page. Let's actually open this up in a tab. So this is the actual landing page. Born before 1968, join the Senior Discount Club. Now, this is a unique angle. Now, when I think about this, I like this angle because seniors love discounts. Keep that in mind, but they're actually collecting emails. So now they're going to be pitching 15 different offers, most likely through here. But then they know that if they spend $1 to get someone on this page, if they get that email 30 days from now, 60 days from now, they're going to keep making money and can pitch them on different affiliate offers that they can actually get. Now, let's actually look at this. Clean dirty carpets with vinegar. That's actually pretty interesting. Get a $3,000 per year mortgage reduction. So as you can see here, Freddie Mac's enhanced relief refinance. So keep in mind, if someone signs up with that, that's most likely $15, $20. Some of these can pay $50 depending on your quality and the leads you're bringing in. But that's just most likely a lead generation offer right there. But as we can see, there's 15 different offers being promoted here. So now, use this as ideas. Never pay for home repairs again. So, home warranty program. These are all affiliate offers in affiliate networks. Now, let's actually scroll up here. So, one final recap on everything that we just talked about. Now, one final recap on everything that we just talked about. Make sure to do your spying and make sure to build that swipes file. Now, don't try to run something that's out of your budget. Don't try to run, $100 to $200 payout offer if your budget's, $300 to $500. And lastly, pay attention to all the small details. For example, look at the logo that they're using here. Look at the way that they're naming their fan page, where everything in their funnel is consistent. The Facebook page is improved budget. They have an improved budget logo here. They have a newsletter, which is just an email list right here that they're going to use to keep following up. And let's actually try to click over to one of these offers before I cut this video off. Let's go to click here to claim your 100,000. So as you saw here, claim 100K, and this is another affiliate offer we can actually see here. As you guys can see, this is another affiliate offer here. So there's so many ways to actually spy. And, just for a bonus right now, who made it to the end of this video, when you're doing your spying, make sure you have the Chrome extension called SimilarWeb. They have a free version. Google it right now. Add it onto your Google Chrome bar. So when I click the SimilarWeb Chrome extension, it's a little circle right here at the top. We can see right here, 690,000 estimated visits. So as we can see, in December, they had almost 500,000 people. And coming into the next month, they added almost 189,000 people to this landing page. So there's so many different ways to spy, and I hope you guys got a ton of value from this video. But anyways, just thank you for watching this video, and I hope you guys got a ton of value. If you did, subscribe and message me, tell me you got some value. But if you haven't joined my private Facebook group, Entrepreneur Affiliate Mastery, make sure to come join today. And yeah, I'm pumped for you guys. But anyways, crush out your affiliate marketing goals, and I'll see you in the next video.